today two things. We're gonna do two things and radius of convergence.
No, he hates me. I swear he hates me. I swear. No, I swear. I have a B in this class.
This class?
No, in secondary.
All right. Can someone look at? You can start. All right. Can someone look at the paper 5 for me? Where's the integral test?
Which one?
Which one was
That's one page. This is comprehensive all the tests. Okay. Integral test.
Where that? Oh, it's in the back.
Do you see it? Integral test. Okay. Can someone read it for me? Anyone here?
I think I thought right.
Mr. Wait, who does
Oh, Mr.
Wait.
What will happen? We love you.
Mr.
Yo, Mr. You're gonna get shot.
No.
God, I'm over you.
The way he looks at the
The door is open. The door is open.
Oh my god.
Drop it over.
That's a danger hazard.
Okay, mom, I'm gonna give you money in my bank, okay? Alright, internal test. Where is it?
Where is it?
I got that. I keep one blue. Another one
Do you know the student? Do you know the student?
I know the student.
Oh yeah. Isn't he in your video? Oh my god.
Shut up.
When I find them,
Crazy
bro.
part? No, the crazy part is we're in the same group. We're in the same group, man.
Oh, so you're safe.
I'm not saying.
Yes, you are.
We might have it up. No.
Bro,
That's why. What was I doing? We're done. My house.
I miss that I use.
Did you find it?
That I use. On my last big lips.
No, you said it. This is.
Wait, mister,
Yes.
did you say it's on this paper?
Yes.
Really?
The one paper. The one paper. Can you find it? I want you to find it.
No.
Do you see it? Integral test?
That's the way.
No.
How the fuck did he use
Not
that?
the joke, dude. No,
Can you see it?
Did you go by parts?
Oh, there are two paper. Did you? Yeah, there are two paper.
Oh,
No, look, maybe you look at the wrong one. Oh, this one is all 10 units. And this one is only for series test. Yeah? One paper only for series test. One paper here is all 10 units. Okay? Now can you find the integral test on the series test? Yes, that's one. Okay. Now let me give you an example. So basically they're saying that if the integral converges, then the series converges. That's it. If the series, if integral diverges, the series diverges. That's it. But there's some. Yeah, but there's some.
He's on the other side.
On the other side. Oh, they're
Okay,
there.
now I'm dead.
Now you feel sad.
No?
No, still not.
No? I'm like right here.
Wait, shoot.
What if a shooter is inside here?
No.
The shoe, the shoe?
So,
I know their face.
Julian,
God!
just kidding, okay? You know me, I'm just teasing around. Okay, playing around. Okay, now, where were we? Integral test. Now, something very important is that the function needs to be, can you read it?
Positive.
Positive and
Decreasing.
decreasing. Okay, positive and decreasing. For example, 1, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. Remember that series? That is the requirement. The series needs to be positive and decreasing. And what else? Positive, but need to start from
1 to
1, right? So 1 to +infinity. That means all the positive number in decreasing. So let me give you some example. Why the integral is good? Because sometimes you can see the series like this. Okay, let's review how many tests we have learned. P series. What else?
Ratio test.
Ratio test. That's very is good. What else? The n the divergent n one.
Alternating series.
Alternative series.
Root test.
Root test.
Geometric test.
Geometric test.
Comparison.
Comparison test.
Limit comparison.
What else?
Squeeze.
A squeeze theorem. Very good. Squeeze theorem.
Wait for this.
Is that
Do we have include everything here?
Oh, T series.
P series include already. So 9 tests, and this one is the last one. So it's going to be 10 tests.
Every time it says series,
Integral
it's
test.
series.
Okay. Now, oh series. Is there any test you think we can handle this?
No.
Ratio test. That means you're gonna check the next term divided by the previous term, right? Root test, when you see the power n. Comparison test, maybe comparison test. You can compare this one with harmonic, right? If they larger than harmonic, that's when they diverge. Remember comparison test? When it's diverge and it's larger than diverge, it's going to be diverge. Remember? So, but when you see ln, what is the sign? Everything has a sign. Okay? What is the sign for this? Integral. Think about integral.
Mm.
Fine. Like, what do you mean?
Think about integral and derivative.
Okay.
Think about u sub. So the sign is think about u sub. Okay? Who know what I meant?
Everyone said oh, but no one understood.
Isabel? Did you say something?
No, I said everyone said oh, but no one understood.
Oh, okay. If you see something, say something.
Oh, okay.
So for the demo today,
So it's just right here.
So the sign is when you take a derivative of 1 and you're gonna see. Yeah, what is the sign that you sub? Do you remember when we do the integral? When you take the derivative of 1 and you see that the derivative is the other one, right? What is the derivative of ln?
1 over
n. That's the sign.
1 over right there.
Yeah? So what do you think we're gonna do?
Integral.
First, is it positive?
Yes.
Because it starts from 2, right? So it's positive. Second, is it decreasing?
Yes.
You need to check. You need to check for decreasing. Check for decreasing. Remember, usually this will be on the MCQ. So whatever I work over here is your scratch paper, okay? It's not like you don't need to like do exactly the same. Do whatever you think you can you understand. If you can do your mental math, that would be good. So 1 over, I'm gonna plug in. What is the first number I'm gonna plug it in?
2.
2 ln 2. And then what is the next number?
3.
1 over 3 ln 3. Which one is larger? This or this? Are they decreasing or are they increasing? That's what my question is. Increasing or decreasing? Decreasing, right? The bottom number getting larger, that means the whole fraction is going to be smaller. So it's going to be, if you want to say increasing?
No.
Okay. So decreasing, good, right? Decreasing, check mark. Positive, check mark. So that's why you can use the integral test. So now by integral test, so check mark by integral test. I'm gonna take the integral from what number? From 2. You depend on where the series start. So from 2 to infinity, 1 over n ln. Now what we're gonna do? U sub, right? Because that's the sign we saw it.
So like,
You're gonna let u equal to
Ellen.
ln. Very good. So du equal to, so it's gonna be the dn, okay? 1 over
N.
1 over n, dn.
And then you like switch it, like, yeah.
Right, so dn equal to du times n. So I'm going to replace dn here by du times n, right? So this is, you see that everything you learn is connected. So that's why if you have a gap of something, you need to fill it in immediately. That's why I encourage you to keep asking me questions. The question is showing me where your gap is, and the mistake as well. Feel free to make the mistake, okay? So 1 over n, I'm going to take it to 1 over n. ln becomes, ln here become,
U.
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 dn become
Du times n.
du times n. You got it. What happened here?
Cancel.
Cancel. We're gonna cancel n and n. That's mean this one only have left du over u. Then what is this?
1 over n over.
What is the u over u?
Du over u is 1 over n. Wait, what?
Huh?
Wait.
Yeah.
No, what is integral of 1 over u? ln,
Yeah.
right? So this one is just ln what?
Ln U.
ln u, right? And what is u though?
U is ln.
What is u? What is u? I am. U is?
Ln.
Huh?
Ln.
What? The streaming?
Yeah.
What's up?
No.
We'll go walk outside.
No, it's a
Video
video.
come back.
No.
You know what?
Wait.
What's that?
There's someone streaming?
I had it.
No, I don't edit here.
You're not supposed to ask. This is how you first learn.
Oh, okay.
Try again.
I heard your ring up.
You actually not hear it, obviously.
Right?
You heard it.
It's because his ear's not there.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
wait.
That
You're
actually-
right.
There's a distraction
Thank you,
with
Joshua.
their screen.
But it was really loud.
Extra credit for him.
Extra credit.
Oh, remember the ear problem?
Wait, Mr. Still doesn't work?
What?
Huh?
Your still doesn't
No, it's still, it's not like fully recovered.
Oh.
I still cannot go swimming because the hole is still there. It's just gonna be healing, so they're gonna be like closed
For how long?
gradually, right?
Oh,
But it's
yeah.
still, it takes time. It takes months for that.
Yeah.
Okay, ln u is
Ln.
LNU.
ln n,
And fuck. Whoa.
right? So it look complicated, but it's okay, right? And it go from infinity to 2, right?
We plug it.
Now, so how do we plug it in?
Ln.
Oh, this is infinity. It's infinity. We have one more step before infinity. No? Do you remember?
T.
Yeah, someone just said it. Just saw say it, right?
Which one? Which one?
Whenever you see the infinity on the integral, what's it called?
Limits.
Yeah, it's called improper integral, and you need to do the limit. So both just so I think I know you say that. So limits, limits up using any letter. K goes to infinity. Integral from 2 to
T.
2.
T.
K.
Oh, if you use T, then you're gonna use T. Better because I
Okay.
wrote K here, so we're gonna use K. K of du over u. And that means you're gonna take the limit of K go to infinity, ln u. And u go from,
To the K.
you can replace the u as well. So ln u and limit of ln n. And let's go from K, from 2 to K. And limit of K goes to infinity. See, everything connected. See, now you got to see improper fraction as well, and then you also see the chain rule, the use up, right? And then what is this? You're gonna plug it in. So limit of K go to infinity, ln of K minus ln2, correct?
Yeah.
Right? Any questions so far? You still with me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop me anytime. Which one?
No, it's just.
From here?
Yeah.
So from here to here, you understand, right? This is improper fraction, improper integral. So I break the infinity to be K, right? Now, don't worry about the limit anymore. Now look at this one. The integral of 1 over u is ln u, right? And u is ln n, right? So I replace the u by ln n, and n goes from 2 to k. Actually, to k. 2k. So that's why I plugged in k here. L and k minus L and u. L and 2. Yeah? Okay. Good. Let's see what did I got before. So when you plug it in infinity, what do you think? Infinity. What is it? What is the ln of infinity? Infinity. Ln 2 to give you some number, but it's going to be very small comparing to the infinity. So eventually ln of infinity is still infinity. So this is ln infinity equal to infinity. That means the whole thing here going to be ln of infinity, and that means that it's equal to infinity. So what is your conclusion? Huh?
Diverges.
Diverges.
Yeah.
You said good talk.
I think I deserve extra credit.
Nah.
See, even your friend sitting next to you oppose that, like against that.
He's just a hater, that's why.
Whoa. What is this false slave?
Any question? Okay.
That's perfect.
Wait.
Should we do one more or we good?
Is this standing?
Yeah.
The standards are low.
Huh?
Really?
Say again? Say again?
I never see you.
Can you try
I
this?
see you, bro. I do.
Try this, try this.
Come on, go.
2 minutes. Can you
That's
stop?
the marker.
The sign that we're gonna using integral. The u sub, right? Where is the u sub? You see here. The
And then the n square.
n square. What is the derivative of n square?
2n.
Huh?
Wait, no, I'll get it.
Where you get that? Option number 3? 2n. Don't worry about number, because number you can bring it outside. So you see another n here? Yeah?
Yeah.
Like how are you? It's sunshine. Like this not even related. Okay.
No, I'm not waiting.
You
You're waiting.
So sign u sub. Okay. So how do we start? How do we start? You're gonna do the. Oh, what is the first thing you need to check though?
If it's decreasing.
Right. If it is decreasing, okay. If you plug it in, do you think it's decreasing?
No. I don't know.
So plug it in. So plug it in. What is the first term? First term you plug in 0, right? So 0, everything will be gone. So next you're gonna plug it in 1. So check decreasing. So 1 times e to the power negative 1, right? And when you plug it in 2, what do you have? 2 times e to the negative 2 squared, correct? And then 3, just 3 terms, I think you know. Negative 3 squared. Now, negative 1, power negative 1 mean?
Well, divided by, flip it.
You flip it, that's right. So this is going to be 1 over e. Now, negative 2 squared is? 2 squared is?
4.
4, so negative 4, that means you're gonna flip it. So 2 over e to the power 4. Right? And then it's gonna be 3 to the e to the power 9. Right? Even though you have some number on the top, but the rates up on the bottom, the increasing is much faster. Do you agree? It's e to the power 4, e to the power 9. They're faster than the top. The top you only increase by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the bottom you increase by exponential. So it is still decreasing. Okay, so it's still decreasing. Now, what is another thing?
If it's positive.
If it's positive, very good. Is it positive? It does positive, but look at this one. They need to be from 1. Now, but this doesn't matter because you know why? When you plug in 0, what happened?
0.
They're all gone.
Yeah.
See, very detailed. Calculate DC, you need to very detailed. Sometimes you can put a trick on that. Yeah. So let's do the integral. Can you try the integral? How many of you have tried the integral?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
So let's u equal to. Let u equal to.
U equals to negative n. Right?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, okay. Just say no, just say no.
No, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. You can let the n square or you can negative u n square. That's fine. Either way is fine. It's the same answer. So did u equal to 3?
No, it's negative 2
B n. Right? So the infinity, what do I need to do?
Take the limit.
Take the limit. K go to infinity. You can cross.
So you heard that one, right?
That's intense.
Yeah.
That's a risk.
Freaking out.
I've never heard screams like that until I learned about that.
Oh.
You learn about the stream?
No, so I learned about the list.
The list.
Wait,
Yeah, it's
I want to know who's on the list.
Yeah.
All right, and who on the list?
No, I don't know. We don't know.
Oh,
I want to know. Oh.
What are
There's
we
a
doing
lot
on the
on
list?
there.
I think 6 or 7 students. Teacher on the list.
Your teachers?
Teacher.
Oh my gosh. That's
Yeah.
scary.
So those teachers received an email about that. I didn't receive, so I'm not there.
Oh, okay.
I didn't have him anyway.
Okay, yeah,
I bet
that's
you're
good.
so happy right now.
Okay,
Go
so
back.
our class
You're
is set.
good, you're good.
Okay.
Let me go back.
Okay.
I don't know what's good.
No,
You
you're
don't know?
right, you're right. We're with the teacher that's not
We're
involved.
on the list.
Okay, go.
Okay, go. Okay, e to the power.
It's the same table.
E to the power.
You.
U. Very good. And then let me see the dn here. dn equal to
du over
du over
negative 2n.
du over negative 2n. Okay, what happened here?
Cancel out the
You
n.
cancel the n, so now you're gonna have just limits, right? Of EU, du, and outside is negative 1/2 outside. Usually I want the number outside, so you don't need to worry about it. So negative 1/2 outside. Okay? So what's it good? And then what is integral of EU? EU, right? EU, the derivative integral the same. So limits k go to infinity EU from, you change the EU to, what is U? Negative n squared. I return back. You know why I return back? Because 0 to k is only work for the n. You cannot apply to the u. If you change to u, you need to change the 0 and the k in terms of u. So in order to avoid that, you don't want complicated. Return this one back immediately to n. Okay, so that you don't need to worry about the limit. It's going to be exactly the same, 0 and k. So plug it in, you're going to have e to negative k squared minus e to the 0. Limit of k goes to infinity. What do you think is this equal to?
Infinity?
Hmm?
Infinity?
Infinity?
Okay, it's not infinity yet.
What do you think?
0 and
Gary, what do you think? I'm going to ask every single of you. Think about a negative power, okay? What does a negative power mean and what is
Zero.
Okay, okay. How about you work on that? I'm going to ask each of you. What is the answer? 10 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
0, 1.
What?
1. So it's negative 1.
8.
Okay.
Yeah.
7.
8?
Oh.
No, counting down.
One.
6.
Wait, what did you ask again, mister?
What equal to?
Oh my god.
Evaluate these limits.
Oh.
Limits is the first unit you're going to learn, right? This is so good to review the limits.
1? 0?
0.
5, 4, 3,
I got my answer, mister.
2. This is limits. Unit 1. 1. Alright. Okay, ready? What did you get? Negative 1. Okay, Irma?
Oh.
You
I
get
got,
O?
I got negative 1.
You get negative 1 too?
Yeah.
Okay. Kayla?
Like I
I
had
got
a
one, but it's probably negative, but I got one.
Okay, you got 1. No, don't worry. Stand your ground. That doesn't mean they correct though. Yes, me.
Over infinity.
0. Okay, fine. It's good. Okay. 1. Julian. 0. Isabel.
Alright.
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Okay.
She copied me, bro. Oh.
We should review everything. Is that okay?
Okay, great start.
I
I
copied
copied
it,
it,
sir.
Mr. By the
Number-
way. I copied it, yeah.
So if I'm right, then you're
I got
ditching
like
out.
1 over e k squared.
It's not hard. Look at the negative. What does the negative mean again?
You gonna flip it?
Huh?
Okay, I give up.
Okay.
Oh.
Just did a bad duty, so that.
Oh, I know. Oh, okay, my bad. I know why. I know why you. I know why you got different answer. Because I forgot to write negative 1/2. You see that?
Right, okay.
Alright, you're setting us up.
So whose fault is this really?
Mr.
Then what is the answer then?
Okay, no.
Now you got negative 1, right? Negative 1 times negative 1/2 is 1/2. How about you got 1, so you're gonna be negative 1/2. You got 0, right? So it's gonna be 0, right? So the answer is 1/2.
Yay.
So here E is 1 over e to the k squared minus 1, right? Right? Negative, you flip it. So e to the power k squared. And when you plug it in infinity, what happened? When you plug in infinity, what happened? This here become 1 over infinity, which is 0, right? 0 minus 1, right? So you're gonna have negative 1/2 times negative 1, that gives you 1/2. So what is your conclusion? Conversion.
No, like I was actually getting there.
Yeah?
Me too.
Good, very good.
Because
Yeah,
like
but
I
what
was,
do you say?
I got when you flip it, and then I wasn't sure if you plugged in the infinity, but I had gotten that like the one for like the e over x or the e to the power of 0. But like I just like it didn't fully click to me what I was supposed to plug into the power. Okay, but it was infinity, right?
Yeah, you plug in infinity to the letter.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Right. E to the power of infinity is still infinity.
No, but like I actually was then. That was like my thought.
Yeah, trust me. Yeah, I believe you. We believe you. Yeah, we believe you.
It was happening.
As you take a sip of your drink. Yeah, we
No, yeah, we believe you.
I saw the
Why are you laughing? You make it worse.
I saw the doubt in your voices.
No, I believe you. And I was,
I just think it's funny.
when I say that, that's gonna be a problem.
Because she keeps on like, yeah,
Okay. This one also will be on calculus BC test. Okay, that I predict they're gonna ask you this. What is the radius of convergence? It sound new because you never heard of that. But basically, you know what we're gonna do? We just need to find mean. It just means you're gonna find phi or x. That's next. That makes the series converge. That's it. That's it. You're gonna find all x to make the series convergent, and that's gonna be the called radius of convergence. Okay, so let me give you some examples. Hopefully we can get to the macaroni and the trailer.
Converges. Max.
Okay, assemble 1.
What? That's the one you want to this one.
Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You've never gone to auto before?
Where now?
Right. Okay, mix it with that.
You know, also with convergence.
That's good.
Okay, so maybe write more. Using different tests.
John Cena? John Cena? You can't see it. Oh.
Ratio, root test,
Using different
geometry, etc. Okay, using different tests to check the radius of convergence. So,
we all start crying.
for example, 1. What do you notice? What do you wonder here?
I wonder about.
You wonder laughing? What's the meaning of life?
She was listening to the either.
Alright, that's gotta be it.
Okay, what do you notice?
Does that say rat?
What is the first thing you notice here? That's different from all the problems.
Mr. Also topic, please.
The factorial.
Yeah, there's a factorial. Yeah, and then there's an obvious thing.
What the power?
Okay, there's the power. Okay, what else? You see the factorial. You see the power. So factorial reminds us of the what test? Root means you check in the root to cancel the power. Ratio, right? This reminds you of the ratio. This reminds you of the root. But there's something that's very
The x?
yeah, the x. Have you ever seen the two letters in one problem? The two different letters. Because they want you to find what is the number of the x. So that this series going to be converged. To be converged. Yeah?
Stop laughing at me. Mr. Mocking out.
Everyone point and laugh at
We believe you too, okay?
Mr.
So what kind of test do you think we're gonna do? It's better.
You're first. Mr. Can you scroll up a little
We just said it. What test we're gonna do? If you want to check if they converge or diverge, what test we wanna do?
Ratio
Ratio or root? Ratio. Root can take care of this, but root cannot take care of the factorial. The ratio. Yeah, make sure you can open the window too. Look at the window first.
Oh, Mr. Logan, like right there.
Right? Huh? What do you mean?
Wait, what? You just popped me right there.
Like I passed by and he was like You're like sacrificing himself.
Can you not?
It goes on his door.
No, I mean, like,
He's
this
on
far.
his door.
Oh yeah, I did it later. I tried asking him, he was like,
Mr. Can you scroll up really quick? Thank you.
Well, I know he's mad. He's always mad.
Okay, now it's this one.
Yeah? Does it make sense? Yes? Everybody yes? So we're gonna use the
Ratio.
so who remember the ratio test?
Oh, it's no wait, I lied.
Limit. You need to start with limit.
Okay, limit.
Limit what? N goes to
Infinity.
infinity. Okay, good. And then ratio. Remember ratio is ratio of the next one divided by the first one. Okay? So what is the next one after n? N plus 1. You replace the n plus 1 by I'm just saying. You replace the n by
N plus one.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay. He was so dumb with this.
Sometimes I'm overexcited, you know.
Sure.
Sure. You're like
right, but.
you need to like calm down, mister. Yeah, and then what is the previous term of this? That means just copy everything here. Do you remember we need to flip them? We talked about this, right?
Oh, yes.
Because you divide it, so you need to flip it. Yeah?
So like when it's like n factorial, like what comes after n factorial is
How what?
no, like when it's n factorial, what comes after n factorial is
It's n plus 1 factorial.
And
Right
then
after.
after that,
N plus 2,
oh, okay,
n plus
okay.
3, right?
Oh, okay.
N plus 4,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
The
yeah.
after.
It was just that like I like never fully grasped that, so I was kind of
Oh.
yeah.
Like 5 factorial. 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5.
No, like I understood
Next
that.
one
I
is-
just didn't know like what to do if there was a variable.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now I know.
Yeah. Good. Remember, variable just represents some any number. So it just represents any number. So on the bottom, we're gonna write n 2x plus 1 to the power n. Now cancel this.
Oh, cancel the top.
Please do it right.
Okay.
You have trauma already for this kind of
From
problem?
2 days ago.
You got a PTSD from yesterday? Oh, not yesterday. Tuesday. What is n plus 1 factorial divided by n factorial?
Oh, yeah.
You cancel out the factorial.
Whoa. So what is that equal to? Very good. What is n plus 1 factorial divided by n factorial?
N plus 1.
N plus 1.
I heard n plus 1, I heard n. Kayla, what do you think?
Yeah, you're tiebreaker.
N plus
Oh,
1
n-
factorial
oh, it's n
divided by
plus
n
one.
factorial.
Yo.
It's n plus
Walk
1.
outside, bro.
Wait, he wants you to die this.
It's not
I know.
n. It's just one.
N plus 1.
N plus 1.
Okay. You getting?
It's just plus one.
Okay, let me expand this. Okay, one more time. Okay. The answer is n plus 1. A lot you got it correct. Yes. But then let me explain to you why. Factorial is just to multiply everything from 1 to that number. Okay. So n plus 1 factorial means n plus 1. When you go lower, what is a number before that?
N.
Because you need to go all the way from 1.
N.
How about just write the other way around? Maybe 1, start from 1, turn 2, turn 3, turn 4, all the way to n minus 2. Oh, that's too long. N minus 1, n plus 1. Do you agree?
Yeah.
I multiply everything from 1 up to n plus 1. And before n plus 1 is n. Before n is n minus 1, right? That's n plus 1 factorial. Now on the bottom, what is n factorial? 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 all the way to n minus 1 and all the way to n. Do you agree?
Yes.
Right? Because that multiply everything to n. Before the n is n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Which one going to be cancelled out?
N.
The whole thing here, right? So that you only have left n plus 1. Make sense now? Yeah? So basically, this whole thing here is n factorial. So when you see n plus 1, you need to see which one larger. Because that will give you the extra term. Does it make sense?
That's the one that
Oh, I
was
see.
Yeah.
I
You look at the radial one, and that one will give you the extra term.
Okay.
Okay, good. So,
Oh my god.
so this is going to be equal to n plus 1.
Oh. It doesn't make
Now, what is this though? 2x plus 1 to the power n plus 1 over 2x plus 1 to the power n.
2x plus 1.
2x plus 1. Why, Joshua? Why can you explain to us?
It'd be the same thing as before. Since it's n plus 1 at the top, it'd be 2x. It would be 2x plus 1 times n, and then 2x plus 1 times n plus 1.
Remember, when you plus on the power, that's when you multiply, right? So this one you can write them like this: 2x plus 1 to the power n times 2x plus 1. Do you agree? Because that, when you remember when we learned in Hem, you all in Hem, my Hem class, except 2. But here, when you multiply them, you add the power. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So n plus invisible 1, that's why you have this. So I go backward, I have this one. So now on the bottom, I have this. What can I do?
Cancel out the.
You can cancel this out. So you're gonna have 2x plus 1. So you're gonna have 2x plus 1. You see, the ratio test is very good to using over here. So when you plug in infinity, this one going to be infinity, correct? But remember, they ask you to find the radius of convergence. That means they want you to find this one need to be. Do you remember ratio test? When it will be absolute convergence.
Oh, when it's greater.
When the limit is
greater.
Less than
Less than 1.
less than 1. The absolute value. Oh, we keep forgetting the absolute value.
Where was it?
Alright, 2 mistakes today.
That's not you.
Like, how come it's 2? We only 10 100. This limit needs to be less than 1. Yeah? So you need this whole thing here to be less than 1.
And
To be convergent. Okay, so you're gonna solve. Do you remember definition? Definition is find all x that make the series converges. So now you need to solve for x so that the whole thing here less than 1. That's what the radius convergence is. Okay, and what do you think? What do you think?
Oh, you plug in infinity.
Yeah, okay, you plug in infinity here, you're gonna have infinity, right? So, okay, 2x plus 1. Is there anything you can plug it in infinity?
No.
No, that means 2x plus 1 is actually a number, right? So what can we do with a number? Can we bring it to the top, to the front? So if you really think about this, this is just a constant. This is constant because you don't plug in any n. So this is going to be 2x plus 1 here, and then you only have n plus 1 here. Okay, so this one is equal to this. How do you make the whole thing here to be less than 1? What do you think?
Like in a fraction.
There will be a fraction? Okay, yes, there will be a fraction. Very good. Remember, we want to find the value of the x. So that the whole thing here is going to be less than 1. Okay, what do you think? Let me write 1 here so people absent today, they know what's going on. What do you think? Look at this. If you look at infinity here, what is the whole thing here going to? Infinity. So how much it possible to make it less than 1?
1 over. Yeah.
What?
1 over infinity is 0.
Okay, but this is not 1 over infinity. This is
So
n.
make it 1 over infinity.
No, you cannot change this. You can only change the x, right? Because the problem is you need to find all the x. So you need to find the value of the x so that the whole thing here will be less than 1.
So we
What do you think?
Solve for x?
You solve for x, yes. But how you solve for x? How do you solve for x so that the whole thing here will be less than 1?
You move the x to the other side of the equation.
You go move the x.
Never mind.
Okay.
You could equal to 0.
Huh?
You could equal to 0.
Very good. See, Labu? You have good ability. Usually a lot of time I saw only Irma get the answer. Look at this. The only chance, yes. Apple. The only chance to make this one less than 1 is when infinity times 0. Do you agree?
Yeah.
If this is infinity, but when infinity multiplied by 0 equal to,
0.
that's the only chance. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So yeah, very good. So this, the only case is when 2x plus 1 equal to 1, because 0 times infinity equal to 0. Okay, this is equal to infinity. So then, what is the x? X equal to?
1/2.
Negative 1 over 2. That will be your radius of convergence. Yes?
Yeah.
So you got the radius of convergence? You still need to find the x so that you make this happen. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do assignment 2. Again, I don't think we can make it to the Taylor.
Yeah, then we're there.
But that's actually not
Not that bad.
not that bad because a lot of people absent.
Oh.
So we can do Monday so when everybody here.
Yeah, true.
They can watch this video. Make sure we are cutting the shooting and stuff. That will believe you and stuff too.
Oh, that one.
You're gonna take forever to edit the video. I'm gonna post it next year.
They're gonna be like, what happened? Us, the citizens freaked out.
I remember last year we freaked out. Alright, let's go try 1 minute.
Oh.
Next year I have 2 classes.
Oh,
It's gonna be
yeah,
it's gonna be
I think.
yeah, 2 BC. So you are like lab mics.
Mister, you should go extra hard and give them some homework.
Did you say we're lab rats?
Lab rat, yeah, lab rat.
Lab
Yeah,
mice.
lab
That's
mice.
nice of you to say.
So it was nice when you said lab mice.
Because you are my first.
Was that part of video?
I'm gonna cut it.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Typical.
Yeah, in my favor, you know, I'm controlling.
Can you
I can even put some AI there to make it everybody happy. Oh, Mister, you're so good. Oh, Mister, you I understand it. Look at Kayla. Alright.
It's so far off. It's fine.
Alright, just tell me so I make sure you're on the right track. What kind of test you want to use for this? Very good. How do you know it's a root test?
Oh, because there's an N.
Because of our N. That's good.
Yeah, not.
Try it. I want you to really try it.
Oh.
How do you do that?
Yeah, that's what
Oh, you like
Wait, mister,
Hmm?
do we square root the whole thing or just one?
The
part?
whole thing, the whole thing. Yeah.
That's all I need.
What are you talking about? What the hell is it? That's it, you, bro. Let's do it, you saw.
Quay mình làm kia.
Now it's in it.
Nên nhớ đi đi vì cái giày quá.
That's not what I'm asking you.
Lấy mình.
We divided by
Well, like
n.
this
Mở rồi
one.
đây.
You're the one that's pressing me by n.
I'm just saying. Oh.
Alright. I'm in English.
It cancel out.
So you're gonna using the root test. It's the
Yeah.
sign of root test. Alright, so root test, same thing. You're gonna have a limit and absolute value. Okay, don't forget the absolute value. N goes to infinity, and then what you gonna do with the root test?
And root.
Right, you wanna take in the n root, or what I have been doing, I just divide the power, whatever power, divided by
N.
n. So yeah, so I'm gonna do like this. Okay, n divided by n. On the bottom is n to the power n, and also divided by n.
Look under the little paper.
Okay.
Yeah, what the fuck?
So-
Isn't everyone here?
Huh?
Isn't everyone here? Did someone leave?
Mister, please. I got yours after.
Mister, if anything happens, just like you're my favorite teacher. Oh.
You done? You come back? She survived. Alright. You can just listen. Yeah. To relax, you just have a test, so just listen.
Wait, I just had a test too.
What test?
In homeroom.
The hidden test?
Yeah.
N divided by n is?
Zero.
One.
Well, like, it means it just cancels out.
Yeah, because I want, okay?
I have my
Alright.
own way of saying.
Now, what is this then?
That's
How many of you got to this step? Okay, good. Okay, good, very good. Alright.
Yeah.
Now, remember x minus 6 is it a number or is it a variable?
Number.
Wait, number.
Number. Because the variable going to be n.
Right.
See n? So this will be a number. We just don't know what number is. So that's why we need to find. We need to find that number so that the whole thing here is going to be less than 1. Very good, Yasmin. Yes. You need this one to be less than 1 to be convergent, right? But here are the things. When you plug it in the n over here, you're gonna get infinity. That's why we need it one to be 0, right? Because 0 times infinity is 0, less than 1. Now look at this. What happened when you plug infinity?
Comes zero.
Zero.
It's already 0, right? X minus 6, I don't care what number is this, but divided by infinity is always 0. So this is already 0.
Sorry, convergent.
So what is your conclusion? Always convergent no matter what x is. Okay? Always convergent. So in that case, how do you answer the radius conversion? How do you answer that name? Yes, that's right. Radius of convergence going to be from negative infinity to positive infinity. Any number. Or you can also say all real number. All real number. Okay? Or you can also say R like this. Depend on, because it's going to be MCQ, depend on the way they answer. They give you that this, that's also correct. They give you all real number, also correct. They give you R, that's also correct. Okay? Alright. I want to do something with
Yeah, for you. Right. Wait, did we get? I think I did. Did we?
Did you not?
How was the test? Easy? Is it English? Next week you're
I'm
gonna have
scared
math.
for math
Next week, right?
It's basic algebra.
Yeah.
algebra
Yeah.
instead of geometry.
Sometimes.
Wait, I think
Little.
there was one
Yeah,
chapter,
there's
Little.
like very little.
but it's mainly algebra.
But that was good. Well, think about this. Frederick is the only person
Oh.
in BC, but a junior. That's
No.
good.
Oh,
What do you mean?
Who?
Bradley.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought Brad is senior.
No.
No.
Wow.
Clearly not.
Beautiful.
Just like,
Wow. Okay.
Leave that in there.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna eat it.
Is that an R or an N?
Oh, another one?
Okay.
So you got.
3x to the power n.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, so he's junior.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a junior too. But in
What?
elementary-
Anything else? Or that's just two?
Me too.
Yeah, we were.
No.
Oh. Is there another goal?
No, no, it's just because I know you just got from some school. I remember.
I got rejected from UCLA.
What schools you go to?
Santa Barbara.
Oh, it's at the bottom. That's good schools too.
We
This is a
went
good
to
school
middle
too.
school, but
Anyone go to UC San Diego?
I got accepted, but they want me to pay like 13K. So.
Oh.
And I'm not with that.
You got a financial aid though.
Yeah, that's
That's
with
up to them.
financial aid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that's expensive.
Santa Barbara's free though. So. What were you saying, Steve?
Huh?
What were you saying?
Did this one?
Yeah.
Then what we gonna do?
I don't know.
Rude?
Rude.
Why rude?
Because
But it won't work. 'cause
Okay,
just leave it 3x.
here's the thing.
No?
Alright.
Oh.
Alright.
Okay.
Or just leave it 3x.
Only using the root when this one is a variable. What is 3x? It's a number, right? Basically, you have like 7 to power n, 8 to power n. So you don't do the root when this one is not variable. This is a constant. So what do you think?
Ratio? Ratio?
No, ratio only also this is a variable. It's not
Oh,
variable.
the comparison one.
Integral.
Key series.
Kind of.
Geometric series.
Geometric series. You remember this?
She's just listening about this culture.
I'm not.
Geometric.
Series test, integral test, ratio test.
Do you remember this?
Oh,
Geometric series?
See, I'm so smart.
Yeah, you are.
oh, -1.
Remember this?
So you're gonna flip it?
When the geometry will be converged.
We have to.
You can look at the paper. Oh,
No,
very.
no, 'cause, like, it's a
When?
number, right?
Yeah, but when geometry going to be converged? When? That's the question. It's not yes, no question.
When R is
When R is
Less than.
less than 1.
Yeah.
I knew that.
So this one, don't worry about the formula. Just worry about the assembly.
Ooh,
Okay?
perfect.
This is all the test, comprehensive. Everything is here. Okay? And this one is a short version of the big one I gave you the other day. This one is short version. Okay? I give you over here. Alright, so this is geometry.
Where's your backpack?
What?
I was testing.
Can you?
I asked my teacher if I could come here for the lesson.
When geometric series going to be converged, when the ratio is less than
One.
1. So that means this is very easy. That means you need what? 3x to be
Zero.
less
Then one.
less than 1.
Yeah.
That means x is less than
1. Less than 1.
Is it all
Less
the
than
one?
1/3.
1 over 3. Right?
Oh.
Wait,
Has to be less than 1/3.
Huh?
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
you can.
We're doing the radius convergence. You find all that, let's make the series converge. So when I look at this, I see this is geometric, right? And the geometric require the ratio. This is the ratio. To the power n is the ratio. Okay? So I want the ratio to be less than 1. That means I want this number right here to be less than 1. Make sense? So you need to, the skill I think you need to improve is you need to recognize what kind of series this.
Yeah, Joshua
Okay.
really needs that.
Shut the.
So x less than 1 over 3. So your radius is, this means x between 1 over 3 and negative 1 over 3, right? So your radius is what? X equal to? R equal to? 1 over 3.
Yeah.
just